GPT-4 and the previous. The headline is this: has reached of common sense. Now I know that's not as dramatic, but it's nevertheless. For humanity, how is common? And how do I know that it's comparable to human? Well, I dug into the literature and examples myself. And read through these examples yourself. It's testing thing to occur. Common sense. But I want to draw your attention. It said though, these questions. For humans with 95% accuracy. With less than 48%. 4 was 95.3% accurate. Let's find the exact. Further on in this paper, and here it is.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.